गुड्डा, ये लिंक थोड़ा फेसबुक पे भेज दो प्लीज।
शू संगीता। हेलो, नमस्कार, आदाब और कैसे हैं आप? बड़ी मुद्दतों के बाद मुलाकात हो रही है, पर एटलीस्ट ये बात तो अच्छी है कि मुलाकात हो रही है। Well, I was missing you all a lot, and I was waiting for this time to happen and to also meet all of you again on this show. And मुझे बहुत इंतज़ार था आप सभी का, and शुक्र है कि आ गया फिर से शनिवार और आप लोगों से मुलाकात का दिन. So we have a date with you, and today this time the oops I said this is all about showstoppers. When I say showstoppers, it means somebody who has the power to stop the show. Yes. Along with the artists on the stage, there are many people of parallel profession. I'm saying parallel, not behind the scenes. It's a parallel profession along with the artists that you get to see, and you get, without them, it is not possible to run a show. So it's very important to have them in a performance. Without them, the performance would be incomplete. So it is good that I have loads of friends who are from the parallel profession, and who are with me and who make my show more glamorous and more successful, because I always say it's not a one man show. It's never a one man show. Maybe you are seeing that person on the stage or on the movie or on the screen, but there are a lot of people who make that happen. Without them, it wouldn't be possible. And today we are starting with a very dear friend of mine who's a photographer, और जिसकी तस्वीरें मैं ऐसे 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 करके प्रिंट करती रहती हूँ, फेसबुक पे फ्लैश करती रहती हूँ. And I'm so happy that she's there with me, and let's welcome and let's have a date with Sangeeta Das Banerjee. Yeah, woman.
Yeah, it's so good to see you, Alaknanda. I am so honored to be here with you today. And let's just rock it today.
Yes, let's rock it. Let's open them out.
Yeah.
Speak it all.
Yeah.
और दोनों बंगाली हैं तो बोलने का शौक तो हमें है ही, और मस्त बोलते हम लोग, मस्त बोलते हैं. So she's one of my girlfriends again who did the first episode also with my girlfriends when I had it. These girls were the opening. These are the ones who had faith in the show, and they said, yes, Alaknanda, you go ahead. We are with you, and we will become your guest. Thank you, Sangeeta, for being the guest.
Thank
then
you.
also. And,
Thank you.
thank you today also for being here. संगीता, मतलब तुम्हारे फोटोग्राफ्स तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और चारों तरफ छाए रहते हैं, एंड वी फ्लॉन्ट इट, यू नो, सो विद सो मच ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड मतलब मैं तो जब तब चढ़ाती रहती हूँ. मुझे ये बताओ, you should have been in front of the camera. How come you're at the behind the camera?
Some people need to take that step to be behind the camera also, because like I feel dancers or any artist, you know, they do so much of effort all their life to be where they are. So there has to be somebody to showcase their work also. And I have been a dancer myself, but
yes. Many people don't know that. Many people don't know that. Please also tell us about your dance journey.
Yeah, I will. So so it's I realized that you need a very strong group of people to support arts also. So as you were saying, parallel, it was very nice of you and very good of you, because a lot of people don't acknowledge that fact. So that's another thing which so many people get attracted to you for, because you give the due credits. So I felt that, you know, it's my gift to dance. You know, if I can be there for dancers, it's I would have achieved a big huge thing. So yeah, I am there in a very small way. There are many beautiful, amazing photographers doing amazing work. I am just little bit, you know, idhar udhar ka kaam kar leti hu.
अच्छा अच्छा चलो.
Yeah.
Modesty will not work
Right.
out here at all, at all. You have been working with Japan Foundation. You have been working with one of the best of the artists. You have made marriages a dream to, reckon
All
upon after marriage.
blessings. All
या सो
blessings.
तो तुम्हारी
Yeah.
ये मॉडेस्टी ना बिल्कुल नहीं चलने वाली है यहाँ पे. तुम मुझे
एंड
बता.
तक खत्म हो जाएगी. अभी अभी थोड़ा कर लेने दो.
अभी थोड़ा कर लेने दो, राइट.
Yeah.
पर मुझे बता कि तुम्हें कभी ऑफर नहीं आया कि तुम मॉडलिंग करो और ये सब.
Ah, no, no. Let me stay away from. I'm actually very camera conscious. Let me tell you that, okay?
Really?
And yeah, I'm very camera conscious. There are only few people. If I see them behind the lens, I'm okay. Otherwise, I'm like, let me be on the other side. You go and stand. I will click your pictures. So yeah, there
Amazing.
is a friend who had offered, like, वो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. He stays in Bangalore. He's
Right.
again a very dear friend, photographer friend. He has
हाँ.
told me when he comes to Delhi, he wants to shoot with me. And there is
Okay.
another person in Delhi. He's also a
Okay.
photographer. He,
Okay.
like, younger brother. So he keeps telling me, Shongita Di, I want to shoot with you. But I am not very keen to do that. Yeah.
Oh, but tell me, how did photography happen to you? Like, it's a field. I've seen more men onto it, and let's not the woman. So I've seen very few women.
Okay,
So
so your question had two parts. Two
yeah,
parts. Okay.
yeah,
Firstly, how it happened to me.
hmm,
It happened in a very organic way with me.
right,
I was always interested in the creative fields, but then again, I never really got to take it up as a profession. It was
right,
profession meant a little bit of technical stuff and all.
huh.
So family happened. I left my technical field, and then as you must be knowing,
Technical field as
i
such.
was a I was a system analyst. I was into
Okay,
programming and stuff like that, and
okay,
there also, luckily, it was to do with multimedia. So
okay,
we were, in fact, our firm were the first people to produce multimedia CDs. At that time, we used to have CDs. So I
okay,
used to do
okay,
programming for that. So
right,
there also there was a visual element. Okay.
right,
And my boss, my guru there, he
huh.
kind of was very encouraging. Like, whatever I wanted to do, he said, okay, fine, you can try it out. So
Yes,
there also
yes,
there was kind of connected with the visual field. Then
right,
I family happened. I left my job. I took a sabbatical. That my husband, he is in the media field. We
okay,
have our own sound recording studio. He's a
right,
musician. He's a
yeah,
music director. So
right,
there in the studio, we used to have a lot of filmmakers coming in. We
hmm.
still have filmmakers coming in. So
Okay,
there I got again a second dose of the visual medium, which
right,
happened.
okay,
And during that time, I had my daughters, and my husband had a Yashica camera, so it was a film camera. So I started shooting with that,
okay,
and we used to print the pictures, and slowly, again, that interest started developing.
right,
And then
right,
I did a formal course in photography. Okay.
okay.
So after the course, I started taking up small projects,
Like, you're telling me that you took a formal course in
Yeah.
photography. Like, if any youngster wants to go
Hmm.
for a profession like photography, so
Hmm.
what is the basic education or the degree or the kind of course one
See,
needs to do?
photography is a field where it is a lot to do with how you see things.
Right, right,
So you will have photographers who are economists, who are doctors, who are engineers, who are artists, who are dancers, who are musicians. If you have an open mind, if you know how to
right,
see things, you
yeah,
will do good in this field. Okay.
right, right,
As for formal training, I believe that's my personal feeling that any kind of field, if you do a formal training, it
right,
always helps. It always
right,
helps. Like, I had a science background. I did till 12th, I had a science background. So
right,
it made me understand concepts of light. It made me understand concepts of lines, concepts of things like this,
right,
calculations, little easier. But I'm
Right.
not saying that somebody who doesn't have a science background cannot do photography. They can do
Okay.
immensely well in photography if they have a eye. Okay.
Aptitude
So
for it.
yeah, aptitude for that.
Yeah.
Also, photography is something which needs a lot of practice,
Right.
like any field, like
Right.
dance. If you practice, if you do your riyaz, you
Right.
will excel. you know
Excel. Yes.
yeah, so exactly like that, photography is also like that. You have to
Right.
practice, you have to keep shooting, you have
Okay.
to keep increasing your knowledge about different things, and it will show on your work. Okay.
Right.
Now, your second question about women being little lesser than men.
Yes.
I
Yes.
don't agree to that anymore. There are
Okay.
some very amazing women photographers who have been there since beginning of times, and even now. Okay,
But
it is.
I'm not talking about the qualitative work, but the
Hmm,
quantitative. Do you think
yeah,
there are
I'll
numbers? Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
I'll come to that.
Yeah.
See, photography is not a very easy field to be in.
Right.
Okay,
Agree.
it has long hours. Okay,
Hmm.
it has a lot of travel in it. It
Right.
has lot of dedicated time, in the sense, like when I was doing my course, one of my teachers, she was she's a very famous documentary photographer. So she said that, if you want to be a photographer, you have to choose at some point of time, you have to choose between family and this career.
Right.
Because if
Right.
you have a project where you have to go and stay in some country, especially a
Hmm.
documentary photographer, you
Hmm.
have to maybe go and stay in some place which is like war ridden,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
for 2-3 years. So
Okay.
for that, a lot of families don't support their women or don't
Okay.
support their girls. Okay,
Right. Right.
so that is the reason it becomes little difficult for women. But talent wise,
Yeah.
work wise,
Hmm.
no less. You will
Okay.
see a lot of women doing some amazing work, and
Right.
now people are even breaking that barrier of family. We are working, and we are
And as
taking care
well.
of the
Yeah.
family, and we are being able to do that because a lot of things have changed in
Changed during the
society and
time.
in families. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
I must tell you, Sangeeta, we have a friend, Ini Singh, watching us.
Oh, okay.
Hi,
Hi,
Ini.
Ni. He's one of my favorite photographers. I don't think
Yes.
that I have to mention that.
Yeah.
Hi, Ini.
He's a darling of all the women dancers over here.
Ah, yeah, I know that too. I know that too. I know
मुझे
that too.
मुझे वो बाद में झाड़ेगा मुझे बोलेगा
No,
अगर तो कुछ भी बोल देती है
but it's a compliment. It's
इट्स
a
अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट
compliment.
इन्हीं
It's a compliment.
अच्छा
Yeah.
और इन्हीं अभी लाइट ठीक है बता दे मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कर रहा था कि लाइट तेरे पे बहुत ज्यादा है अब बता दे लाइट ठीक है या नहीं अच्छा देयर इज आकांक्षा गाडिया सिंह हेलो Mridhanshi
I
saying hello. Richa Srivastava from UK saying both the ladies are looking ravishing. Yeah, very Richa, we take it. Manat Mishra is watching. Vibha Kapoor ji says, welcome back. Oops, oops, Vibha Kapoor ji, lovely to see you here. आप नहीं होती तो हम बहुत मिस करते हैं आपको और ये इन्हीं हंस रहा हा 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 ठीक है रात को बाद में डांटियो मत मेरे को और लाइट सही है या नहीं ये भी लिख दे कमेंट में and there are a lot of people on the show and it's lovely that they enjoy the show and they are watching you Prashasti Tiwari says hello, but I must say you are also some men's favorite because about you I came to know from
yeah,
Rakesh Sai Babu. I must
yeah.
and Ini Singh says hi Sangeeta, your work is
I
amazing and वो
thank you, Ini.
नमस्कार कर रहा
Yeah.
है
So let me just jump here and mention something. It is a very funny thing that it is usually thought that photographers, they cannot tolerate each other. right?
Yeah, you're talking to
Like,
Ini, yeah,
yeah,
Ini and
not
like all
just
the people,
Iniji, not
like
just
all the
Iniji. Yeah, yeah,
fraternity in a whole.
yeah. And I seriously cannot understand why that should be, because if you're talking about being dance photographers, we are among
Right,
dancers, right?
right,
And
right,
dancers, like two very famous dancers, I have covered them doing performing on the same stage. Okay,
right,
they complement each other. They're not trying to
right,
overpower each other, right?
right.
So, as if I say that I'm a creative person, I'm a photographer, and I will never have any issues with another photographer, because everybody has their own style.
Exactly,
Okay,
exactly the thing.
and even if I'm shooting, like you experimented with it, there are other
Yes,
people who have experimented with it. And not just that, I will take it to a step further. I have been,
right.
many a times, if I like some other photographer's work, I have been questioned, oh, you like that person's work. Why not? If I
Yeah,
like somebody's work, I will I'll hit the like, I will share the work, because I'm not insecure myself,
right, exactly,
you know.
right.
That all those questions come from insecure place. If you're secure
Yes,
yourself, if you are competing just with yourself, you
yes,
will not be bothered with what another person is doing, you know.
absolutely, absolutely.
But adding to that, I still go and check out other people's work,
You get to
masters.
learn so much. You get to
Yes,
learn so much in the
absolutely.
process.
So
Yeah.
yeah, so
And it was
that's there.
amazing to have you and Ini and even Ashwini ji for my festival,
Yeah,
three photographers in one event, and such wonderful. और मतलब मैंने जब इन्हीं से बात की थी कि इन्हीं मुझे तुम तीनों चाहिए, and I told you also, कहते तू तीनों को क्यों वो कर रही है, मैंने कहा because all three of you have a different angle to look at
yeah,
the picture,
yeah,
and I want the best out of all of you. अब मुझे पता है कि मैं सारा समेट लूंगी. And it was amazing to see all three
exactly,
of you on the stage, and I have the best of the work of Spirit of Dance because of you and Ini and Ashwini ji also.
exactly,
And the harmony was so beautiful. मैंने एक
exactly.
बदमाशी की थी. I must tell
Huh.
the audience the बदमाशी that I did, and Ini was really laughing away and कहते हैं तुम ऐसी शैतानियां कर सकती हो. मैंने I told Sangeeta to click the male dancers at the Natraj Dance Festival, and I had requested Ini to shoot the female dancers at the Devis. And it was like to see. इन्हीं कहते तुम ये क्यों कर रही हो, मैंने कहा ये औरत है, औरत की नजर से मैं मर्दों को देखना चाहती हूँ और मर्द के नजर से मैं औरतों को देखना चाहती हूँ. So I wanted to see that concept coming up. That was
But
fun. And he says yes, it
it
was
was
fun.
it was fun, it was fun, but I'm talking about myself here. Okay,
Yes, yes,
when
yes.
I see a dancer,
Ha,
okay, the dancer, kind of the sex of the dancer somehow vanishes from my vision.
ha,
I'm being
ha.
very honest with you.
Yes, yes.
I see the dancer, okay,
The
because
artist.
there are times I have seen a lot of male dancers who, like dancers, if they are male, they are kind of somehow, our perception is it is all about power,
Yes.
right? It might not be that.
Right,
Okay, a,
right.
a male dancer can show emotions, softness so beautifully.
Absolutely.
Exactly in a similar way, a female dancer can show power so beautifully. Like if a
Absolutely.
female dancer is playing the role of Durga, you know,
I love that
that
piece.
that epitomizes Shakti, that
Yeah.
epitomizes power. So
Right.
for me as a photographer, I would I would want my pictures to kind of not have that restriction, be it
Right.
sex, be it color, be it any kind of borders which we humans tend to make.
Make.
And art should not have any
Have
border.
any border. No, my concept of doing that was to just switch over both the things
No,
and to
no,
see.
your concept, I
Ha.
am not
And
refuting
also
with your
was,
own concept.
yes,
I'm
yes.
not, in fact, you thought of that. That's why it was possible for three of us to come there. And I'm
Yeah.
ever going to be ever thankful for you to doing that. I was just talking about as a
Not crossing the
as a
genders.
photographer
Yeah,
myself.
yeah. Which
Yeah,
I
yeah.
believe in friendship. In friendship, I forget the gender. I don't, in a friendship, दोस्ती में मैं मर्द या औरत नहीं देखती हूँ, मैं सिर्फ दोस्ती देखती हूँ. And we have a lot of people, and Vibha Kapoor,
Exactly.
yeah,
Exactly.
Vibha
That's
Kapoor says, well
that's why
said, Sangeeta
we love
ji.
you so much.
Oh, I love it too.
Thank you.
Viva Kapoor says, exactly, well said, Sangeeta ji. Richa Srivastava said, well said. Tulika Prasad is here. Ini Singh says, that was fun and really enjoyed shooting with Sangeeta and Ashwini ji. And my bestie is watching. Hi, bestie, Vidha Lal. She's watching. And Tulika says, Namaste, Sangeeta ji. And Vidha Lal says,
Namaste.
hello, Bestie and Sangeeta ji. Both of you are looking super gorgeous.
Thank
Thank
you. Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Another gorgeous woman is complimenting the gorgeous woman. That's lovely. That's the power of womanhood.
Yeah.
And uh, now, like, tell me, like, every woman goes through this a dry spell, I must say, because
Hmm.
we become the mother. Being a wife, we might not leave our work or take a sabbatical. We don't take a sabbatical. But motherhood always gets you into that sabbatical. You
Hmm.
have to sacrifice a certain period of your time, because you have to bring up the child, which a mother can do.
Hmm.
It is difficult for the dad, but yes, obviously a mother has to do that. So do you think that that little space and that sabbatical and that sacrifice, do you have a regret about it, or it's okay, not a problem?
Okay.
Or has hit your
Personally,
career somewhere? Yeah, has
yeah.
hit your career somewhere?
Personally, for me, I had to take that break. Not just for it was not a break, which I took it very happily. Okay, I'll be
Okay,
very honest. Okay,
okay, okay,
but it was time. It was the family needed that break because
okay,
my I conceived very early, and I used to keep unwell. And
okay.
my husband and me, we were in profession which was very demanding.
Right,
My
right,
the technical field I was working in, that was very demanding. He was working in a production house, and
right.
that was very demanding. So we
Right.
did not get time to be with each other. And
Mhm.
during that time, my mother-in-law fell sick.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So for me personally, in our life, things happened where I felt that it was maybe good for the family that I take that break. And because
Right.
my mom-in-law was unwell, and kids happened at that time, so a lot of things happened. Okay, but as a woman, I don't think that having a child means that you have to take a break.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
There are many women who are doing their jobs along with bringing up their girls. Sorry, I said girls because I have two girls myself. I mean, kids, boys and girls. So I don't think you need to take that you are planning a family that you have to take a break. No,
Okay.
but yeah, it's a personal choice. Okay. Secondly, if somebody decides to take a break, I personally don't call it a sacrifice.
Mhm.
Okay, it is a break, it is a choice you're making. Okay, the moment you start thinking that it's a sacrifice you're making, it becomes difficult for you. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. It becomes a
So what?
burden.
Yeah. So whatever anybody, be it a man or a woman, you choose to do in life, be sure that it is your choice.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
very important.
The moment it is someone else's choice and you
Right.
just go ahead with it, you
Right.
will have regrets. Okay.
Absolutely.
If you ask me, I have that regret in a certain way, because at times I feel that if there was little bit support from not just the husband, when you are
It's a
married.
family. Married
Yes,
to family.
in India you get married to the entire family.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I sometimes feel that we should not be dream stealers.
Right.
You know,
Absolutely.
in
Absolutely.
India, a lot of dream stealing happens.
I
Okay,
feel in India, a woman is not allowed to dream only.
absolutely.
Sangeeta,
Yeah.
it's just not about stealing the dream. Sorry, we are just talking because it's about careers, but it is also about womanhood.
Yeah.
So we on this show we talk about all the pros and the cons of the society or the life that we are living. So
Hmm.
in fact, it is a very sad part that in India, I feel even in the educated modern city, a
Hmm.
woman is not allowed to dream.
Yeah. No, even if they not just they're not allowed to dream. It
कर
is
लेना कर लेना अपने ससुराल में कर लेना अपने पति
nay,
के घर पे
nay.
कर लेना
In fact, in
कर लेना
fact, no. In my case, my parents have not done that. They have not done that with me. We are four brothers and sisters. None of the siblings had to go through that. In fact, they're very supportive towards my sister-in-laws also.
हाँ
Very,
हाँ
very
हाँ
supportive. You know. In
ओके
fact, my father always used to say that you just not the four of you, even your respective spouses, you guys are like my fingers. If I cut one, you know, I can't say which one will bleed more or which
but
one will
we are
pain more.
but Sangeeta, we are the luckier ones.
We are the luckier ones. We are
We are
the
the
luckier
luckier
ones. Yeah.
ones. Even like
But
if I talk about my family, I can't say the same because
exactly,
they have
exactly.
always put invested in my dance.
Yeah.
And they said this is
I
your dowry.
it's
When people said ki dowry kaise doge, so they said her dance is a dowry. I will not give her dowry. And if a man is greedy enough to ask for a dowry, I will not get her married.
yeah.
So that is the boldness of our parents. But as such, if you see India, the
Hmm.
woman is not allowed to dream for us. Tell me how, like अगर एक अभी बोर्ड्स खत्म हुए हैं और अगर
Hmm.
कोई लड़की बोलती है कि मुझे फोटोग्राफर बनना है,
Hmm.
I doubt how many parents are going to
Should I tell
like
you why? Should
yeah
I tell you why?
yeah yeah
Very
yeah
good question you have asked here.
yeah
Okay. It is because of society. You know,
yeah I know
I'll tell you why this happens. If a person wants to become a dancer, if a
yeah
person wants to become a musician, if a person
yes
wants to, like I know, my
huh.
husband, he was forced into studying charter. His parents aspired him to become a chartered accountant.
Right,
Ashish, a chartered accountant, seriously, you know. So in we we Indian families, we try to live our own dreams,
through our
our
children.
own, yes, you know, and that is the biggest mistake we do.
Yes,
Secondly, art may, how many artists support the people who are on top, how many people support struggling artists.
right,
I'll tell you the example. I'll give you an example. You took the example of, you said about a photographer. Okay,
right, right.
the people I am telling you sitting at this position after having so many years of experience. Okay, if today there is a newcomer who wants to go and shoot a show for free, I'm
Huh.
telling you, big shot people will invite that person to come and shoot.
Exactly,
So
exactly,
obviously, as a parent, if I see my child is wanting to go into a field which doesn't have any security, as
exactly.
a
That is
parent,
the
you are
problem.
right. Okay, there are very crazy parents like us who were telling our daughter to become to study arts, commercial art, or fine arts after her 12th and not take up academic field because she's very talented. I'm talking about my elder daughter.
Huh.
Okay, so there are very few crazy parents like that also, but mostly parents are saying that because they are scared, and that is also because in the creative fields, the big shots are not helping the they are I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, I have no control
Shoot
about
it,
these.
shoot it, shoot it.
Yes,
Already
they
Gauri Divakar keh rahi hai, again two bongs already too hot in Delhi. Hello to both of you. Yes, Gauri Biharan. यहाँ पे बंगाली भी एकदम आग लगाए बैठे हुए नुपुर प्रदीप
it's a
चटर्जी says
eastern
very true.
connection, eastern
Instant
connection.
connection. Namaskar, Didi, Nupur Didi. Yes, go on,
Okay,
Sangeeta. The
so
all yours.
I see the big people with lot of funding, lot of money, if
Absolutely.
they are trying to cut down on a technical person's fees, trying to, rather have a chief guest coming and rather giving that chief guest a fancy gift and not a light designer or a costume designer or a photographer their due fees or due credits. Obviously, this the parallel, as you said, the parallel fields are going to suffer.
Yes.
So it's a lot of internal things we need to see. Why are things like this?
But do you think that the artists, I'm not just talking about organization, the artists are aware that this is a parallel profession, or they think नहीं ये तो extra मतलब extra luxury है?
Very few, and I would like to mention here again a very good question. I would like to answer this question through my own experience. Okay, when I started doing photography and when I realized that people are actually asking me to shoot for them, I decided I will not work for free.
Right.
I'll tell you why.
Right.
It's not about being greedy.
Right.
Simple thing that if I go to shoot, I shoot for free, I might be taking the job of somebody who runs his or her family through this.
Absolutely.
Okay, which is not fair. Which is absolutely not fair. Secondly, if I do not respect my own work, I will never have people respecting my work.
Ditto.
Okay. And finally, it is, if you start earning, it's a little bit of money also. It gives hope to another person.
Right.
If this person can do this, I can also do this.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
And it is not just about photographers. The moment each and every person wanting to do something with the creative field makes these principled choices in life, things ought to change. Things have to change. Okay.
But for that, don't you think for that the photographers themselves are responsible, that they should be united and they should take a call together?
100.
That
There is
because
the
nobody
least,
else can do it.
There is least of, I am sorry to say, least of unity among photographers. Today, you see, I'll give a simple example. In this COVID situation, okay, light designers have collected money for their own field people. Okay. I have seen a lot of costume people doing that. I have seen a lot of makeup artists doing that. I have seen dancers doing that. I've seen musicians doing that. I don't see photographers doing that. Why? Because, we are very happy, very, very comfortable in our own zones. We do not talk about credits, because we are scared that, अरे किसी को गुस्सा नहीं करना है. क्यों भाई?
नाराज नहीं करना.
क्यों? अगर तुम मेरी फोटोग्राफ्स यूज कर रहे हो, आज के दिन में भी यूज कर रहे हो, ठीक है, जो मैंने शायद 2 साल पहले खींचे थे, तुम वही फोटोग्राफ यूज करके अपना पब्लिसिटी कर रहे हो. I am very happy. I am feel blessed when I see my pictures being used. I feel very happy. Okay. The purpose of those pictures is that only. Okay.
Yes.
But it is not just about me. It is about my fraternity. It is about if I see some other person's picture being used, credit not being given there, as somebody who has a little body of work, who has a little bit of following, I need to bring that up. I need to bring that up. I cannot just.
It is very. I feel that over here, मतलब ये मुझे dancers या artists में भी लगता है ये उसकी problem है, मैं क्यों बोलूँ या मैं क्यों, why should I intervene? But the thing is, that's why the things they aggravate, the problems aggravate because nobody's talking about it.
Alaknanda, I would take it a step further. I am not into, I have been a dancer at some point of my life. I'm very much in my work is very much involved with dancers, but I make it a point if I see something wrong happening, not just with a dancer, with a musician, with anybody, especially in the creative field. Okay, I make it a point to raise that up on my level. Maybe it will reach 2 people. I'm not a celebrity. I'm not that famous. Okay. It is the responsibility of the people on top to raise a voice about everything. That's my personal belief.
What is happening, Sangeeta.
That is the saddest part.
actually the hierarchy has at the top has to change. The hierarchy which is going on at the top level, that needs to change. At the right, I think the right people should be sitting there who are unbiased, who are
Yeah, that
unbiased.
that is that
That
is the
is
main thing.
main
That
thing.
is the
And
main thing.
Vibha Kapoor ji say east is the direction of God and God is Swiss dwelling. Vibha Kapoor ji. और उनको बहुत अच्छा बंगला आता है. पराग इज वाचिंग, त्रिपाठी, संतोष नायर, वैशाली शर्मा, मिनोती सिकदा, स्वामी सेन, हाय स्वामी, नेहा शर्मा. इन्हीं सिंह हंस रहा, हाँ हाँ, यूनिटी इन फोटोग्राफर्स. इन्हीं, तू तो ना सही में
हमें लाना
यार.
पड़ेगा.
हाँ, अरे कितनी अच्छी पार्टी में इतना एंजॉय किया, तो मतलब हो सकता है ना.
हो सकता है. And
Yeah.
why not? And you know, Alaknanda, this
Yeah.
whole boundary between dancers, between musicians, between, अरे सब तो एक ही चीज के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं.
Right.
किस चीज के
right.
पीछे पड़े हुए हैं? ठीक है, मन की शांति के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं. अदरवाइज
हाँ? किसको मन की शांति
नहीं,
चाहिए?
मन की शांति इन द सेंस, मन की शांति इन द सेंस कि मैंने अपना गुड पेइंग कॉर्पोरेट जॉब छोड़ के
हाँ.
वहां देखने की कोशिश फिर से नहीं की.
हाँ.
वो वाली मन की शांति. बट आई एम नॉट, आई नेवर से कि यू नो आर्टिस्ट शुड हैव अ झोला एंड you know cycle.
Absolutely.
Artists should be driving a BMW.
Yes, you got it.
You know,
That's
and
my
that
dream.
that will only be possible if artists across forms unite
Yes.
and we look
Yes.
after each other's interests.
Yes. Yes.
Only
Absolutely.
then. Only then.
Vibha
we will-
Kapoor ji is saying, why don't photographers also take royalty like authors?
I have been thinking exactly the same thing, you know, because and it is not just about विभा जी, आपको रॉयल्टी के बारे में आप बोल रही हैं. लोग यहाँ पे
पे करना नहीं
पे
चाहते.
करना नहीं चाहते हैं. एक नीचे एक पिक्चर क्रेडिट देना नहीं चाहते हैं.
Right.
You know,
Exactly.
बिकॉज
Exactly.
और इसका फॉल्ट फोटोग्राफर्स का भी है. हमने बहुत फ्री फंड का काम दिया हुआ है मार्केट में. ले लो करके बैठे हुए हैं कि ले लो सब. हाँ ले लो, बट you know at times, and Alaknanda, I have to mention here,
Yeah.
things are changing in India also. Okay,
Right.
I was very happy to say you have mentioned the Sai Babu brothers. Yeah, they I have done a lot of work with them.
Yes.
And
yes,
I
yes.
thank them because Rakesh ji introduced me to you.
Yeah. Right.
You know,
Right.
and
right.
I am ever indebted to that fact. Okay, and recently they have shared 2 photos, one of mine and one of Ini Singh ji's, on
Ah.
one of the portals.
Right.
I was
Right.
so
right.
happy to see that, you
And
know,
the
those
credit
pictures.
was there.
Yes.
The credit was there.
Yes.
I saw that. I saw yours, and I saw Ini's also, that the credit, your watermark was there.
Was there. Usually
That
what
was important.
our dancers do, they cut the watermark, you know,
Right,
and
right.
newspapers and publications also,
They-
I don't know what.
You know, no, it happens, Sangeeta. I would say it is not always the artist's
Then
artist's
I know
fault.
newspapers also do that.
Yeah. It's not that we don't tell them. We tell them to mention the name of the
Yeah,
photographer.
it has happened
or
with
to
me
keep-
many a times. Yeah.
And you know, when it comes out, you know, you feel so embarrassed, because after telling the whoever the journalist is, after repeatedly telling them that प्लीज आप नाम दीजिएगा फोटोग्राफर का, आप नाम दीजिएगा फोटोग्राफर का, तो वो फिर भी काट देता है. और वो जो अगले दिन सुबह जब आपको देखने को मिलता है, we feel ashamed to even get back
No,
to you. You know, to
Alaknanda,
anybody.
I know that this happens for a fact, that a lot of, especially I have been very vocal from very beginning. That's why,
Yeah.
you know, a lot of people do come back to me that sorry, and I know they're beautiful people, like for your case, okay.
Yeah.
I have had experience with some dancers, they're amazing people, okay.
Yeah.
And I know for a fact that they will never do something like this.
Right.
I know
But
for
you know,
a fact.
because we are the third party, the main
Yeah.
people who are publishing it are the journalist or the editor or
Yeah.
the, you know, organization. So
Yeah.
I would not always point it out to the artist कि artist नहीं देता है, पर कौन जो छाप रहा है वो नहीं छापता,
नहीं,
फिर
वो भी होता है, वो भी होता है,
वो भी
वो
काफी
भी
हद
ही
तक
होता
होता है. And I'll just take a lot of people
Yeah,
again on your
yeah,
show.
yeah.
And Neha says, thank you, Neha. Priya Patel, who is from US, she says, but who is going to monitor that they are really unbiased? No, Priya, the thing is, you come to know about the characters, you know who is who when you are watching the artists, when you're watching the even the politicians, when you're watching the actors. It's like you come to know who can be unbiased and who can be
I couldn't get her
biased.
question.
She's
This
saying
was
कि
regarding
जो
what?
we were talking about the hierarchy में on the top there should be
Hmm.
people who are unbiased.
Yeah, yeah.
So she said who will monitor that they are unbiased. So my thing
From
is
their
that
work?
from the work,
Yeah.
yes. So it is not that you don't come to know that who is doing honest work and who's not being biased.
Yeah.
So और इन्हीं सिंह फिर बहुत जोर का हंस रहा है और कहता है नहीं हो सकता आई नो फोटोग्राफर्स इन दिल्ली मे बी संगीता एंड मी एंड दैट्स ऑल इन्हीं मेरे को भी ले लेना पार्टी करेंगे
हम दोनों काफी है।
हाँ
इनी सिंह जी, हम दोनों काफी हैं। हम
we
कर
don't need
सकते हैं।
us.
हम कर
so,
सकते हैं।
so sweet. Vipasha Sen Gupta. Hi, Vipasha. Sexy, you're watching. Rakesh Sai Babu, Sangeeta Das Banji, best photographer. Rakesh, thank you again for mentioning Sangeeta to me. I got a photographer artist and I got a friend also. So मेरे लिए double bonus हो गया. Thanks Rakesh again. Vidha Lalji says most of the newspaper give credit to their own photographers. Then again, that's what I was telling you that the problem is not that the artist not forwarding the name to the journalist or to the newspapers or to the magazine. It is the magazine editor or whoever is there who take the liberty because they have that power.
See, I will give you an example from the music industry. Okay,
Okay.
you everybody must be knowing Ram Sampath ji. He's a
Yes,
very
yes,
famous
yes.
musician. Okay, and
Yes.
one of his pieces was used by the Roshans. Okay, and his credit was not given.
Your voice is cracking.
Can you hear me now?
एक मिनट रुक जा मेरा वॉइस क्रैक हो रहा है
Ah, your voice is also cracking.
हाँ मेरा नेट प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है अब मत हो जा नेट प्रॉब्लम मत होना आई होप
What?
you continue
I can't hear you.
you continue okay moment hello
मेरा नेट ठीक है.
can you hear me now
No, it's cracking.
मेरा नेट कुछ गड़बड़ कर रहा है yeah my net is going cranky yeah but please keep on talking about the okay moment okay I hope this works am I
Yeah, you're better. Better. Much better. मुन्ना, हमारा नेट तो ठीक है ना यहाँ पे?
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Yeah, I'll come back to you soon. Wait.
Okay. You're
Okay.
back. You're
Okay.
back.
Okay. So, yes, about the Ram Sampat thing.
Yeah. So what happened? He had created some piece of music for the
Right.
Russians for a ad, I think.
Right.
So then these guys, they very conveniently used this piece of music in one of their
Right.
movie tracks. Okay, they
Okay.
did not bother
Okay.
to give him any credits. They did
Okay.
not bother to pay him. So
Oh,
Ram Sampath ji, he went and sued Roshans,
wow.
okay, for a huge
You
amount of
need
money.
you need
Yes,
guts for that.
yes, and he fought the case and he won the case. You know, since
Right.
then in the
Right.
industry, at least
Yeah.
in Bombay, okay,
Yes.
there is something called royalty. There is something called,
Yes.
yes, okay,
Yes.
and in fact, even now when there are ads happening in Delhi, even in
Right.
our company, there people do ask कि अच्छा इसका royalty taken care of है ना,
Right.
okay,
Right.
because
Right.
उनको
Right.
पता है ऐसा एक केस हो चुका है इंडस्ट्री में.
Right.
Okay,
Right. Right.
so in photography also, I
Yeah.
think once something like this happens,
Right.
then only people will wake up.
But who will take the step? The thing
I'll tell you
is,
why. I'll tell you
yes.
why. It
Yes.
has, you know, I am Sanki. Okay.
Yeah.
Many a times I have thought. But
Yes.
then, we are creative people, right?
Right.
हम अपनी एनर्जी 10 प्रोजेक्ट लगे पड़े होते हैं जिसको
Right.
खत्म करना होता है.
Right.
फिर हम
Right.
सोचते हैं कि व्हाई ब्रिंग दिस नेगेटिविटी, यू नो
Right.
और उसका एडवांटेज कुछ लोग उठा लेते हैं.
पर संगीता वही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना. अब जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, I've been speaking very loud and I've been
Hmm.
taking up fights also.
Hmm.
I have had a really massive verbal spat
I
with
know. I know. Yeah.
senior people in the
Yeah.
industry. But I don't care because
Hmm.
nobody's, as I say, nobody's putting that roti on my plate. It is God who is putting it,
Absolutely.
and
Yeah.
I'm not greedy for, or I'm not logging or lobbying for an award or a
Hmm.
position, because
Hmm.
I believe whatever has to happen, Almighty will be doing it. You have to
Hmm.
just do your karma. पर
Hmm.
किसी को बोलना है, मैं बुरी बन रही हूँ, मुझे बहुत मेरे शुभचिंतक है जो मुझे बोलते हैं कि अलकनंदा जी ऐसा नहीं हो कि आपके कंधे पे बंदूक लगा के लोग चलाएं.
Hmm.
पर किसी का कंधा तो होगा, किसी का
Nee,
कंधा.
I agree to that. I absolutely agree to that. See, I can speak about myself here. I am praying that this community of us, specifically photographers, we come together because at the end of it, it is for the benefit of each one of us. Okay, and the
Yes.
day we realize that
Yeah.
if there is something called leveling of
Yes.
photographers,
Yes.
through their experience, through their body of
Yes.
works, it becomes
Yes.
easier for the artists also कि मेरे पास इतना
Absolutely.
बजट है तो मैं किसके साथ जाऊं.
Right.
ठीक है.
Right.
So
Right.
it becomes much easier then. The whole process becomes
जो कि बॉम्बे का सिस्टम है.
का है.
नमस्कार संदीप दत्ता दादा, कल आपकी बारी है, कल आप इस हॉट सीट पे होंगे. थैंक यू दादा. And he's saying hello Sangeeta, welcome back.
Hello.
Sorry for the technical hitch. I have to upgrade so many things because I am working quite a lot, so I think it is
Time to do that.
yeah, time
Time
to
to
do
do
that.
that. Time
Time
to
to
do that.
invest on that.
Yeah.
And Ruchi Baloni is also watching. Sandeep Datta says difficult Sangeeta but try karo. I think yes, try तो
Yeah.
करना है. जैसे ECA
सबको
का
मिलके
try
try
किया,
करना है.
ECA
Yeah.
का try किया. So obviously Sandeep Da gave us the good news yesterday that the ECA for the students are being considered.
See again, ECA, why did it happen so well? I'm so happy that big names took the effort.
Yes.
That is exactly what I'm trying to say here.
Yes.
You know?
And they, in fact, the best thing is Sandeep Da was uniting all of us.
Oh, yeah.
He
Yeah.
sent us the mails and he sent
Yeah.
us the letters that printed. Can you just give it on your institute organization letterhead? And then it went off to the different levels to reach the highest of the position, and things are now on a very good seat. So it is very important. Like we have Sandeep Da who united for this cause, and now we are successful. The same way, somewhere I feel that somebody has to take the charge of uniting the people,
Yeah,
the whole
somebody
fraternity.
somebody has to take the charge. And another thing which we need to do this whole coronavirus and COVID and lockdown
Yes,
thing has
yes,
happened.
yes.
I am see a lot of people tell me that things will not change. Okay, nothing will change. But heart of heart, I'm an optimist.
Yes, same here.
I'm an optimist, and मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी चेंज ना एक दिन में नहीं आता है.
Absolutely,
ठीक है,
absolutely.
हमें एक और हम like दवाई भी, there are a lot of medicine which is given in small doses.
Right, yes,
उसका जो
yes, yes.
ट्रीटमेंट का इफेक्ट होता है, इट्स अ
Yes,
लॉन्ग टर्म
yes,
इफेक्ट,
yes,
रादर देन
yes,
एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन की एक पेन
yes,
हुआ, एक पेन किलर खा लिया, खत्म. No,
yes, no.
homeopathic medicine works, on a different
और वो
philosophy.
मीठा मीठा भी है खाने में.
Yes. So, yeah, exactly. That's a very good thing you said. So,
हाँ,
I see a lot of changes happening, at least with my work.
okay.
I like to deal with things with people, especially with people. There are some people I lose hope with. Okay, so उनके साथ मैं interaction ही नहीं करती हूँ. Okay, जिनके साथ मुझे hopeful लगता है, मैं पहले उनको प्यार से समझाती हूँ.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
हाँ.
प्यार से जब नहीं समझते हैं, फिर जाके दूसरा वे यूज करना
Yes,
होता है.
yes.
पर दूसरा वे जो है वो कोई भी ह्यूमन सोसाइटी में नहीं चाहता है. किसी को सुबह सुबह उठ के लड़ना झगड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता है. ठीक है, वेरी फ्यू पीपल विल से कि मुझे लड़ाई झगड़ा अच्छा लगता है, किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. ठीक है, सो होपफुली if we all unite, if we all, with this COVID thing, we have realized that it is not just us. There are many people. हम तो ठीक है, चलो 6 months हो गया है, we are without any work.
Yeah, yeah.
If
Exactly.
dancers are still being able to take classes, musicians are
Right.
still being able to take classes, singers are still being able to take classes. But
Right.
think about photographers, think about a makeup artist, think about a light designer, think about all these aligned fields. जो
And
नहीं हो,
the sad part, Sangeeta, is it's just
Yeah.
not about the people. Even the government prefers
don't
to
consider.
ignore. Yes.
yeah, they don't consider.
Ignore our profession, and they think it's not a necessity, it's a luxury. Imagine.
But let me tell you this, हमारे प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री जी, उनको he is very camera conscious. He not camera conscious, he is very camera friendly.
Friendly.
Okay, he
Yes.
loves to get his photographs click. Okay,
Yeah.
अगर हम photographers नहीं हो तो कौन करेंगे उनके pictures click? तो उनको समझना चाहिए, no?
यही.
So, and about dance, how can somebody say that we will survive without the arts? It's the
Yes.
most insane thing to say. It is the most insane thing to feel. As human beings, we are gifted with the arts.
Yes.
That is what keeps us human.
Sane. It keeps us sane. Even
It's
in
sanity.
in this period of lockdown where the depression is the major problem, and there's so much of hardship among
Exactly.
people. I think if you just sit down and sing a song, or you just dance, I think that brings a lot of sanity in your life, and that is what is needed. I think एक भी दिन बिना गाने या बिना नाच के आप बिता ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं कर सकते हो,
And
नहीं
you
कर
call it
सकते हो आप.
luxury, and you call it
Exactly,
luxury.
exactly. प्रॉब्लम इज लग्जरी इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि अरे यार, जो उनको दिखता नहीं है.
Right, right.
कि अगर
right.
चोट लगा, उसको एक डॉक्टर, अगेन डॉक्टर के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, दे आर ऑल्सो क्या, दे वेरी वेरी लाइक थैंकफुल टू देम, कि अगर किसी को चोट लगा, उसमें दवाई लगा दिया डॉक्टर ने, वो ठीक हो गया. ठीक है. अब एक म्यूजिक से, एक गाने से, एक पेंटिंग से जो खुशी हमें मिलती है, वो अंदरूनी खुशी होती है.
अरे तुम ये क्या बात कर रहे हो संगीता? अभी साउथ में कहीं पे हुआ है कि one girl in coma recovered in 15 days on Rag Des.
Yeah, it's a science, music therapy. music therapy,
science.
dance therapy, these are all therapies. People are using them to cure diseases. So but वही है ना, उसका उतना अगेन कमर्शियल वैल्यू नहीं बना पाए हैं. वो हम आर्टिस्ट की यू नो काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिव पॉइंट है कि हम इसको एक कमर्शियल उसमें नहीं ला पाए हैं.
नहीं ला पाए.
यू नो
इनफैक्ट विभा जी बहुत जोर का हंस रही, मुझे लगता है तुम्हारे पीएम के कमेंट पे कि वो भी कैमरा कॉन्शियस बोला तुमने, फिर बोला कैमरा फ्रेंडली. विभा जी बहुत जोर का हंस रही उस पे. और संदीप दादा कह रहे हैं दिस pandemic has changed my views towards life. Yes Dada, there's a lot of change in the thought process, and you really, I feel during this time you come to know that you can be happy with very little also.
Very little.
You don't
also
have to really rush in life.
But Alaknanda, there are so many people who are not even having that right now. You know, they do not know from where their next day meal is going to come. You know, and those people, I'm not talking about the again, without getting into politics, I'm not getting into even the laborers, the migrant laborers. उनका एक अलग है. मैं अपने आर्टिस्ट कम्युनिटी के लोगों के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, जिनके साथ हम मिले हुए हैं, जिनके साथ हम काम कर चुके हुए हैं. मतलब हमने we have regularly worked with those people. They are in that situation, you know. And then like I have during this phase, you know, I have heard about photographers in a very bad state, you know. And then I feel कि like इसके लिए तो हमारी fraternity भी responsible है.
Absolutely.
You know?
So absolutely.
So
क्या हुआ? अब संगीता के साइड में प्रॉब्लम होगी. अब मेरे साइड में नहीं है प्रॉब्लम, अब उसके साइड में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, या मेरे साइड में ही है प्रॉब्लम? कहाँ हो रही है प्रॉब्लम? पता नहीं चल रहा मुझे. कोई तो बताओ प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रही है. सही में नहीं पता चल रहा. अब संगीता की उधर प्रॉब्लम है क्या? चेक करो. मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
But with this से
अब संगीता की तरफ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. हाँ, तेरे इधर प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. अब
ठीक है.
अब ठीक है. मैं सोच रही संगीता की तरफ प्रॉब्लम, अब मेरी तरफ प्रॉब्लम है. जरा कोई बताओ. हाँ संगीता की तरफ प्रॉब्लम था. हाँ, what were you saying? We missed it because you were all cracking up.
No, I was saying that, you know, I hope that this whole lockdown thing has opened our eyes little bit.
Yeah.
That it is only not our world. You know, our world can also get affected by another's world.
Yes, absolutely. I think this pandemic has not only has taught the humans a lesson, but we will forget very soon, Sangeeta, not to
hopefully say, not.
Yeah. Hopefully you are too optimistic, but as people are meeting these days, I see. कल मैंने देखा क्योंकि नोएडा में लॉकडाउन, यूपी में लॉकडाउन, people are having बिरयानी from the ठेला वालास. अब तो मुझे ये बताओ कहाँ से आपको लगता है कि हम सुधरने वाले हैं? पर yes, okay, serious हो गया. मुझे ये बताओ, any funny incidents has happened while you taking a photography or something you remember and you laugh?
Yeah.
You ever had a fall while taking a photography?
No, photograph लेते वक्त, because you know there's a big joke in the family that my girls say कि मेरे मम्मी के तो और भी बच्चे हैं. All these cameras are my बच्चास, you know.
Okay.
तो मैं खुद गिर जाऊंगी, कैमरा को गिरने नहीं दूंगी. भगवान ना करे कभी गिरे. So funny instances, you know, like I don't know whether this is abroad also or is it only in India. The moment Indian men see a woman with a camera in their hand, they feel that ये तो मतलब सुट्टेबाज होगी. ओके, ये तो मतलब शूट खत्म हुआ और ये अपना दारू के लिए चली जाएगी. ओके, इजी पर्सन होगी. I don't know why that impression is there about but thankfully you know, I was little scared to get into weddings because of that, you know, कि वो image है. But thankfully I have very good clients, I have wonderful families I have covered. तो वो problem मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है. But yeah, while shooting dance, अंधेरा होता है, maybe इसलिए मेरा this personality is not visible in that अंधेरा. So I have had men coming and standing next to me and generally chit chatting while I'm doing the shoot, you know, and I've literally had to scold them. You know, वो टीचर जैसे क्या क्या कर रहे हो, that kind of thing, you know, कि मैं शूट कर रही हूँ, आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. That I have had. Then I've had experiences like this person coming and standing next to me with a, you know, badass lens and this huge lens and this huge camera, fancy camera, and while I'm shooting he's asking for tips कि मैम आपके तो बहुत अच्छे फोटोज आ रहे हैं, मैंने तो इतना एक्सपेंसिव कैमरा लिया हुआ है, मेरे फोटोज क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं. तो आई एम लाइक ओके, आई एम इन बिटवीन अ जॉब, आई विल कैच यू आफ्टर द शो. ये भी हुआ है. Then there was this one gentleman. I somehow he used to find me in all these shoots and religiously come to me and ask for a cup of coffee. He after the shoot,
Oh.
हाँ. तो उनको पहले 2-3 बार I was very sweet to him that I'm not interested in your coffees. Then last में मैंने उनके साथ थोड़ा सा रूडली बात किया कि you know what is this nonsense? Every shoot you find me somewhere and you are coming and asking me. I'm not interested in your coffee and I don't just go to have
Didn't you
coffee with you.
introduce that man? Meet my husband, Mr. Ashish
No,
Banerjee.
in see, Ashish has been accompanying me in the later shoots because of my health reasons also. But there, there are shoots where I go alone also. You know,
Right.
it's not that he's always. And I usually don't like to use the husband angle. You
Okay.
know,
But
because
I
I
mean,
believe
it's helpful.
no. I'll tell you why I
Yeah.
don't use that
Yeah.
husband angle. Because as a woman,
Uh.
I am capable of handling my own
Yeah,
shit.
yeah. I was telling Ini today on
Yeah,
some
yeah,
conversation,
yeah,
and we're like, we women know how to handle men.
yes. So
You know, we
I
know
don't
how to
need,
keep them. Okay.
yes, yes, and I have done that since a very long time. So I don't need to, I go on trips and tours alone. So
Yeah.
I don't need my, there are, you are there, you are dealing with life, you are dealing with everything on your own, you
Yeah.
know. I am lucky to have a wonderful human being like Ashish in my life. You know, he is my friend, he's my buddy. He happens to be my husband also. But it's not that, you know, I am not capable of handling myself or I'm not capable of taking care of myself. You know, I don't know how to drive. That's I'm kind of scared of driving. That's a phobia which I have. I met with an accident. Since then I don't drive. So, but other than that, I think I can manage. I can take care of myself.
वंडरफुल. एंड
Yeah.
ये तो हमारा जो इन्हीं दोस्त है, ये ना बहुत बदमाशियां कर रहा है, कह रहा है वो बिरयानी कैसे बनाते हैं वैसे. भाई सो इन्हीं अभी बिरयानी तेरे को, तुम वेजिटेरियन हो गए याद रखो. और विभा जी भी लगी हुई है. चलो इन्हीं जी टेस्ट करके चल के आते हैं विजुअली. और मेरा बेटा another
कोरोना ना,
man.
कोरोना हुआ ना हुआ, हैजा तो जरूर हो जाएगा वो बिरयानी खाओगे तो.
गॉड. सही में इन्हीं बिल्कुल छोड़ दे. और विभा जी अलकनंदा कहाँ है वो ठेला. तुम आ रहे हो ना, आ रहे हो तुम अगले हफ्ते यहाँ पे, इन्हीं दिखा दूंगी वो ठेला भी तुमको. और मेरा बेटा मेरे मेरे मेरी टांग खिंचाई कर रहा है. इट्स नॉट pandemic, it's pandemic. Okay. Okay, Mr. Jeevak Bose, I get it. So tell me, like, yeah, so you have been asked for a coffee. Have you been hit as a woman, as a woman photographer, by men that, okay, चलेगी ये तो. फिर से तेरे साइड में है प्रॉब्लम या मेरे साइड में? ये मेरा साइड तो ऑन है, तो तेरे साइड में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. संगीता नेट देखना, नेट देखना संगीता. नेट देखो, नेट देखो, नेट देखो संगीता, नेट देखो, नेट देखो, नेट. आजा आई बहार है बेकरार.
बट
ओ
मैं ना
मेरे,
आधा,
अरे तेरा नेट बड़ा नाच रहा है आज तो. हाँ भाई हाँ.
ठीक है, अच्छा,
हाँ, अब आप जो
हाँ
तूने बोला वो फिर से बोल।
हाँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि see a lot of times ना when I'm in a shoot, I'm so focused in the shoot,
Yeah.
you know, I do not understand what is happening. I am not
Yeah.
even bothered about what is happening around. Okay, I am just, my main focus is my shoot. Okay, be it a dance shoot, be it a product shoot, be it a portfolio shoot, be it a wedding shoot, I am so focused there. Okay,
Right.
but then it happens like once I come back home and generally वो होता है ना दिमाग में चलता है, then I will share with maybe Ashish that you know that guy said this, what did he mean, or did he mean this, because उस टाइम तो मैंने उसको ना मतलब देखा भी नहीं होगा, उसने सोचा होगा कि यार इसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया या इसको कुछ बोला, इसने तो कोई it works beautifully for me, I don't even have to. But if somebody, it's not just about being in a shoot, but if you know I am a very line person. Okay, I take things in a very nice way till a certain degree. Beyond that, you want to cross the line,
You know how
बंगाली
to do
औरत
that.
के साथ तुम्हें
हाँ,
you know you have to face.
ऐसे भी आज हम माँ दुर्गा और काली माँ बने बैठे हुए
Absolutely.
हैं,
So
तो हम
yeah,
लोग की शक्ल में लिखा है डोंट यू डेयर, डोंट यू
don't you
डेयर.
dare.
So
So yeah, वो होता है कि don't cross your boundaries, we'll be good. You cross your boundaries, I can show you the worst of my me.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Tell me that what is the financial situation as such
Hmm.
when you in this profession? Would
Hmm.
you suggest youngsters to take up this profession, or you would say,
Hmm.
if your daughter wants to come into this profession, what would be your take on that?
See, again, any profession you want to get into, you have to be 100% dedicated to it.
Right.
Okay? It works. But initial
Yes.
3-4 years is difficult, especially talking about photography. Okay, so it is always advisable to have little bit of backing.
Backup. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, a
Because
lot
yeah,
of
instruments are also very expensive. I've been talking to Ini also, and
hmm,
I just bought a Canon for myself, DSLR,
hmm.
and things are expensive. Even the lenses are just a small lens would cost you something around nine grands or 10 grands.
9 grand 10 grand my
मतलब मैं
equipment
मतलब
lakhs
छोटी
पे
सी
जाते हैं,
lakhs
lakhs
में
पे
जाते हैं.
जाते हैं.
So
हाँ.
that kind of investment that you guys are doing,
Yeah,
so do you think this profession, देखो एक होता
it
है कि
pays.
पैशन के लिए करना.
No, it pays. I'll tell
It
you the
pays.
ways of making it pay.
हाँ.
If you are really interested in photography
Hmm.
and you really want to make a career out of it,
Yeah.
I would suggest that assist a good photographer, a known photographer. You know, that helps.
Who is your favorite photographer?
Favorite photographer बहुत है. Sebastio Salvador बोल के एक Brazil, he's a photographer. I really love his work, not just because of his photography, but because of the human being he is.
Okay.
He does a lot of work for the environment,
Uh-huh.
lot of work for the environment.
Hmm.
तो ऐसे बहुत फोटोग्राफर्स हैं जिनका काम मैं फॉलो करती हूँ. मैं हर एक फोटोग्राफर के काम से कुछ ना कुछ सीखती हूँ.
Right.
मेरे खुद के गुरुज जो हैं वो मेरे
Yeah.
बहुत ही
Please
क्लोज
take
टू
their
माय
name because we would love to know their name.
अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य जी सर. You must be knowing him. He is
Amitabh da.
yeah, Amitabh Bachchan.
Mane Maitridi's husband.
Yes.
Oh,
No,
he's a no.
Maitridi's husband. नहीं, he is Maitridi's husband's elder brother.
Okay.
Gautam
I
da
don't
is the
know.
light
Okay.
designer. He is
हाँ,
one of
हाँ,
the.
हाँ, हाँ.
He is the light designer. Okay.
Okay.
His
Wow.
elder brother. So I have learned photography from
ये
him.
विशाल कृष्णा भी यही कह रहा है. मैं अभी यही पूछने वाला था कि आपके फेवरेट फोटोग्राफर कौन है.
Yeah. So and again, why I love Amitabh sir is because not just because of his photography, because of his the kind of human being he is.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
and I strongly believe a good photographer is one who feels from the heart.
Yes.
You know, he or she is not somebody who just sees from the eyes,
Right.
through the
Yes.
eyes. You know,
Yes, yes, yes.
you have to have a connection here.
Yes,
Very
yes,
important, very important. So,
yes.
and Anay Manji, he again, we did some work with him, and he's another amazing person who's doing some really good work. So yeah, there are a lot of photographers. I won't want to name a few because I feel I won't do
Injustice.
justice to all, you know,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
everybody has been doing some amazing,
Okay,
amazing work.
let me ask you one
Yeah.
photographer from wildlife photography.
I do not follow wildlife that
Wildlife
much.
at all.
No,
So,
and don't ask again. I think you must have realized it through. I'm not a favorite. You know, I'm not a favorite kind of person.
no, I'm not saying because we don't know who they are. I'm not saying who's your favorite. Like for
Because
like,
you
what
know
are the
why?
different sections of photography? That I know
Big,
there's wildlife photography, there's
yeah,
fashion photography, there's advertising photography or
yeah. There is advertising
photography.
photography. There are, see
Now
again,
it's dance photography. So how many?
डांस फोटोग्राफी as such, कुछ डांस फोटोग्राफी अभी लोगों ने बहुत मतलब प्यार से काम करना शुरू किया है, you know.
Right.
पहले जैसे अविनाश पसरीचा जी was the only name one
Yes,
would hear.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, absolutely.
उनके अलावा लोग उतना डांस फोटोग्राफी को नहीं कर, शायद करते भी थे, बट वही एक नाम, जाने पहचाने नाम है. आई थिंक बिकॉज यू नो अगेन फोटोग्राफी इज अ फील्ड जहां अगेन वो अर्निंग, जहां
पैसा.
पैसा, यू नो, पैसा, वाइल्ड.
And do you think money is a very big motivation?
Why not?
Why not? Yeah,
Shouldn't it be?
it should be.
It should be money.
I always say that an artist should know how to earn money. It's very
Absolutely.
important. Vibhaji Kari, Raghu Rai and Aditya Arya. What about Raghu Rai and
रघु
Aditya?
राय, अगेन रघु राय जी, आदित्य रघु राय इज जी इज द वन जिनका वो भोपाल का एक फेमस फोटोग्राफ नहीं है बच्चे का, वो मिट्टी में, दैट
हाँ,
आई, that is
हाँ.
Raghu Raiji's shot. Okay,
Okay.
so again, now that somebody is taking his name, I
हाँ.
know I love his work.
Yes,
Are you
yes.
getting me? I'm a little, you know, मेरे लिए ना फेवरेट बोलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है बिकॉज
चलिए मुझे लगता है हम लोगों हर किसी से हम लोग थोड़े इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं.
हर किसी से, हर किसी से, एक बच्चे का भी काम मैं देखती हूँ और
हाँ.
उसमें से अगर इंस्पिरेशन लेना हो, मैं उसमें भी से भी इंस्पिरेशन ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ. You know,
Right, right.
that work does not need to be of this most famous person on earth. You know, famous लोगों को हम बनाते हैं. कोई
Right.
कोई अपने टैलेंट से बनता है, कोई कोई अपने लक से बनता है.
Right,
ठीक है, बट
Right.
वो चीज हर एक इंसान में होता है.
right.
आज मैं इस सीट में हूँ,
हाँ.
ठीक है, बिकॉज शायद यूनिवर्स ने मुझे तुम्हारे साथ कभी मिलाया था.
Right,
ठीक है, इस सीट पे कोई और भी हो सकता था.
right, right.
और मैं इन सब चीजों पे बहुत मानती हूँ. मैं यूनिवर्स पे बहुत ज्यादा मानती हूँ. ठीक है,
Right, right.
एंड आई बिलीव दैट हम लोगों को जैसे सेलिब्रिटी बनाते हैं ना,
हाँ.
हम बनाते हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज हम हैं.
Right, right.
ठीक है, हम, हमारा काम अगर लोग पसंद करना बंद कर दे, हमें जो भी कुछ मिला है वो खत्म हो जाएगा.
The rasikas are very important.
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
Very, very important.
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट एट द सेम टाइम आजकल के व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड इज वी आर बाइंग दैट,
Yeah.
यू नो, वो ऑर्गेनिक नहीं रहा है. Like a lot
Right.
of people, if you go to my Instagram page, I have some, I don't even check, maybe 900 likes or क्या बोलते हैं, followers or something. Okay,
Right, right.
a lot of people have told me, you know, you can increase your followers by buying this,
यार
buying
तेरा
that.
मेरे से ज्यादा है. तेरा मेरे से ज्यादा लकी यू.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So
Then it's
I
good. It's good. I feel very happy about it because basically, like the kind of people we both are,
hmm,
we
hmm,
we really don't. We are not bothered about how
we are
many
not
likes we
bothered.
have.
We
We
are
do
not
what we.
bothered.
I think the craziest thing that I do on the social media is because I love communicating with people. Because I don't. I'm not looking for likes. I love to be with people.
See, another thing, Alaknanda,
Huh.
अगर मैंने तुम्हारे साथ काम किया है,
Right.
ठीक है, you have worked with me and you
Right.
have liked my work,
Yeah.
okay, for me that is more important than 100 likes on a picture which I have posted on Facebook.
Right.
I'll
Right.
tell you why. Because there I know your like is a genuine organic like for my work,
Yes.
you know.
Yes. Yes.
But those 100 likes may, I don't know. I'm not saying you don't like my work. Please go ahead and like my work, okay?
Right.
Or like Alaknanda's work, or like every other person's work which is worth liking.
Do you feel that in your fraternity? Like I've had this feeling in my fraternity, जिसे मैं बहुत freely like करती हूँ या मैं कभी कभी
Hmm.
love भी करती हूँ because
Hmm.
I feel very inspired by people's work. चाहे वो मतलब चाहे वो कोई बच्चा भी हो, चाहे
Hmm.
maybe it is Ragini, I
Hmm.
like Saberi's
Hmm.
something, I like
Hmm.
Vishal something. मुझे विदा का कुछ अच्छा लगता है, मुझे गौरी का कुछ अच्छा लगता है, मुझे किसी बच्चे का लाइक अंजलि मुंजाल का भी अच्छा लगता है, मुझे कोमल का भी कुछ अच्छा लगे, मुझे मुझे किसी का भी काम अच्छा लगता है, मैं लाइक करती हूँ बिकॉज
Hmm. Hmm.
आई डू नॉट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन आर्टिस्ट की मैं महाराज जी का होगा तभी लाइक
Hmm.
करूंगी या
Hmm.
लीला सैमसन होगा तो तभी लाइक करूंगी या माधवी मैं शायद उनको देखती भी नहीं बिकॉज दे
Hmm.
हैव इनफ ऑन देयर प्लेटर, दे डोंट नीड
Yeah.
मी,
Yeah.
they don't
Yeah.
need me and I
Hmm.
don't watch them
Hmm.
because I don't find inspiration. Maharaji, yes, I feel a lot of inspiration from it.
Inspiration. Yeah.
For me, I love to copy him,
Hmm.
but other the so-called names I do
Hmm.
not go into the
Hmm.
pages,
Hmm.
but I might watch all the younger generation putting up. आज मैंने विशाल का ही देखा थाली के ऊपर वो रियाज
Hmm.
कर रहा है
मैंने
and
देखा.
I loved it, so
Hmm.
I liked it. So
Hmm.
do you think in your fraternity also the people are scared to tap the like button कि शायद इसकी following बढ़ जाएगी या इसको मेरा एक extra like मिल जाएगा?
I would be able to say that because I am like you. If I
हाँ.
genuinely like somebody's work, I
हाँ.
will go and hit that person's the like button
Exactly,
or the love button.
exactly.
At the same
Yes.
time, if I do not like somebody's work, वो जितना भी मेरा प्यारा हो,
हाँ मैं नहीं करूंगी.
मैं नहीं करूंगी.
हाँ.
ठीक है? And I honestly would want somebody else to do the same with my thing also.
Yes,
कि
yes,
मेरा
yes.
काम अगर किसी को पसंद आ रहा है, मुझे लाइक दो, ठीक है. अगर पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो मेरे को अगर उतना टाइम मिल सके तो फेसबुक पे मत बोलो, बट हाँ मैसेज करके जरूर बोल देना कि क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगा है.
क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगा.
हाँ.
But also that person should be having the knowledge of your subject. Some people might come and tell you आज तुमने ये बात कह दी, कल देखना 2 फोन आ जाएंगे, संगीना जी आपने मुझे वहां पे बोला था कि कॉल करके बताना. But even that person should have knowledge of your story.
Suno. Absolutely. Okay, if Amitabh sir calls me up and says, Sangeeta, this thing was not good, you can
Right.
I would
Right.
really appreciate.
Yes.
अगर कोई जिसको इस चीज में नॉलेज नहीं है, then it becomes my duty as a photographer to explain that person why his or her suggestion is not right.
Right. Yes.
Okay. मैं अपने टीचर्स की एडवाइस या सजेशन सर आंखों पे रखूंगी. Okay.
Right.
Even
Right.
if I don't agree with them, I will not refute them. Okay, they are my
Right.
gurus. Okay,
Yes.
that is the sanskar
We
this
have
country
got.
has given
Yes.
me.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that he or she is my guru. I will listen to that person. Okay, I am not yet that big that I can go and question my guru. There are there are times that you can ask your guru, but there is a way of doing it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, but if somebody who does not have as much knowledge as that person claims to be, then I as an artist should have that much of power in what I believe in to convince him or her.
Yes.
That's what I believe.
यहाँ पे
So
तुलिका प्रसाद कह रही जनता जनार्दन है, नहीं तुलिका
mm,
हर टाइम नहीं जनता
नहीं,
जनार्दन है।
जनता जनार्दन अगर होती तो फिर सलमान खान was would have been the best actor, no?
या
Because his
हाँ
movies are getting the,
या
so I don't go and
then
see.
people would not be have been so hurt on Irfan
Yes,
Khan going away.
exactly, exactly.
अगर मतलब
Yeah,
ऐसा नहीं है कि
yeah,
आपका बॉक्स ऑफिस इज ऑलवेज राइट, देयर लॉट
absolutely,
मोर टैलेंट अंडरनीथ द बॉक्स ऑफिस। ये हम भी
absolutely.
मानते हैं कि जनता जनार्दन है। आप एज एन आर्टिस्ट आपको देखना पड़ता है कि आप में कितनी सच्चाई है और कितना आप जनता का सुनेंगे और कितना आप अपना रखेंगे।
100%,
ये बहुत जरूरी
100%,
है। और विभा जी कह रही है
100%.
मोस्टली पीपल डोंट इवन लाइक टू सी क्या है कौन है, बट दे जस्ट कीप स्क्रोलिंग एंड टेकिंग लाइक बटन। यहाँ विभा जी ये भी होता है कि काफी लोगों का वेला टाइम होता है और वो
हाँ.
लोग ये ऐसे लाइक बटन वो करते रहते हैं। what is your dream, you know, like when we talk about artists, like
Hmm,
I had this dream of having the festival and doing the
hmm.
festival, and what is your dream, the dream as a photographer artist?
My dream is to actually have some place in the mountains, It's going to be like a retreat. I don't know whether that's going to
मतलब
be possible.
फोटोग्राफी से नहीं है, मतलब वो और एक मतलब ये तो
They,
एकदम लाइव
see,
ड्रीम है।
no, retreat in the sense, artist retreat,
ओके
you
ओके
know. When I see photography, my mind cannot restrict it with photography. I'll tell you why. Because
राइट
I am a dancer at heart also.
राइट
you know
राइट
my dreams also have always have dancers, they have musicians, they have art practitioners. Like my elder brother, he's an artist. My younger brother, he's an artist. My father, he was an artist. And we all of them are from different forms. Like my elder brother is a commercial artist, he's a fine artist. Okay.
या
My younger brother, he's a 3D artist.
ओके
My father was a jewelry designer. Okay.
वाओ
So yeah, my sister was a singer. She doesn't
ओके
sing anymore. That's why I'm using the word was. I was always interested in dance. Okay. My
राइट
mother was also into singing.
ओके
My husband is a musician. So
ओके
whenever I see anything dream about the arts, it is inclusive. And
ओके
that's why I keep saying that, we should all unite. We should all do things together. We should not leave
राइट
any form, you know, like
या
like a stepmotherly attitude about
राइट
about any form. So my dream is to have this retreat, and where artists will just go and create,
राइट राइट
and I don't know, I hope the universe hears me. I want to have an auditorium,
wow,
and
amazing
yeah,
amazing
where if you do not have the budget,
right
and you want to, like, it kills me to see that a dancer who wants to do a show and who wants to do something, they do not have the budget to hire a auditorium,
right
you know so I feel that, if you have a space where dancers, where musicians, where artists can go and practice,
yes
can
yes
put up their shows, can put up their exhibitions,
right
it cannot be a more beautiful world than that,
right
you know and it's a
absolutely
dream. I wish uh, it happens at
होगा
some point
होगा
in
होगा,
time.
dreams do come true, dreams do
let's
come true.
let's let's see that whether it
But what do you
yeah.
think it is very frustrating in today's time? Because I love to take pictures because I
Hmm.
always say freeze the moment. So
Hmm.
I'm a really a mobile person कि
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah,
time मैं
yeah,
बहुत फोटो
yeah,
लेती हूँ, मैं
yeah,
बहुत सेल्फी
yeah,
लेती हूँ।
yeah, yeah.
I'm in love with my selfies
Hmm.
and I
Hmm.
I love taking pictures. And I load up. People परेशान हो जाते हैं कि Facebook खोलो तो अलकनंदा ही दिखती
Yeah,
है।
yeah.
But the best thing about being on the Facebook and taking pictures for me, I always say freeze the moment. जो
Hmm.
moment अभी हम दोनों जी रहे हैं,
Hmm.
ये वापस नहीं आएगा.
Right.
So I always believing in freeze the moment. And during this lockdown also, I think
Hmm.
I've been very optimistic. I've been
Hmm.
die hard optimistic all through this 3 to 4 months because
That we have
whenever
seen. Yeah,
whenever those photos flash back, the best thing about Facebook is it flashes back your photos
yeah,
of
yeah. Memories.
memories even
Yeah,
8 years back.
Yeah.
7 years back, 11 years back, मतलब आते हैं and I see कि कितना पुराना, 8 साल पुराना. So I'm that kind of a person who loves to have this moment to freeze. Yeah, I did this, I did this, I did this. I did not save money, but I traveled a lot with my sons, and
Yeah.
I always said that the world is an open book.
Yeah.
So read the book. It is better to read it with your own eyes. Do you think this whole mobile thing of having photography, gadget in your hand is somewhere creating a disparity, or the value of photography and the quality of photography, or you know हर कोई अपने आप को फोटोग्राफर समझता है आजकल, मोबाइल को हाथ में
I
लिए.
will answer this question in a little different way.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's all about respect.
Right.
And there is nothing wrong with using your phone to shoot yourself. Okay.
Right.
Capture your moments.
Yeah.
Freeze your moments, as you say. But then, if there is somebody who is doing something professionally,
Yes.
then give that space.
Yeah.
Professionally, I mean a photographer. In that, wherever you are using your cell phone, there is a
Yeah.
professional person who has been hired to do that job.
Right.
Then respect that person.
Exactly.
It is not your drawing room anymore. It's not your bedroom anymore where you are playing with your camera.
Right.
Okay. Why I said respect is only when you respect another. Okay.
Right.
Things improve. Because what happens, like when we go to wedding photography to do
Right.
capture, we go
Yeah.
for a wedding shoot. Okay.
Right.
You see that there are relatives who are taking bad shots with their cell phones, but they are not letting the photographer do their job.
Right.
Okay. See, as a photographer, if I cannot shoot, I don't, it's not, no big deal. But then
Right.
I have been hired to do my job. Okay. I will be paid to do what I am supposed to do.
Right.
So if you're not letting me do my job, then you're not just respecting me, you're not even respecting the host who has invited you to that wedding.
Exactly.
Right? If you are in a show, okay, you put your camera up and you're shooting your thing. I don't know why these people, they shoot everything. It is not like shooting a selfie and capturing a moment of yours. You are shooting a show which you will not even see ghar pe jaake.
Right. It's better to enjoy what is in front.
Yeah. There are shows which happen where I go to see the rehearsals or I go to see a repeat show because I do not want to see it through that viewfinder. I want to sit and enjoy that show. I want to sit and enjoy that music. I want to sit and enjoy that dance. That is called a dance lover. That is called a music lover. That is called an art lover. If I am constantly seeing the things through the viewfinder or through my cell phone, you are not respecting the artist on stage. That's what I believe in.
Agreed.
Okay. And as for quality of photography going down because of cell phones, I won't say that, even with cell phones, people are doing some amazing work, But I would say that even if you're using the camera to do whatever you're shooting, respect that medium.
Right.
Learn little bit about that medium. How to, like I had posted few days back about helping people, dancers, trying to help do my bit about how to use your,
Yes,
and you would believe very small feedbacks I gave people that इसका framing तुम थोड़ा सा इधर शिफ्ट करके इधर कर लो, ये लाइट एक्स्ट्रा जला लो, इधर से व्हाइट लाइट मत डालो, यहाँ से येलो लाइट डालो, maybe put a few things on the background, maybe go to the terrace and dance.
Yeah.
You know, use silhouette as a option. You know,
Yeah.
small feedbacks which I gave as a visual artist to them, and they
Yeah.
used the cell phone, and the work improved. So,
Yeah, because during this hour of this crisis,
hmm,
so it is only a cell phone that we have on our hand. Like the
yeah,
artist has a cell phone on our hand or the laptop, that we are engaging ourselves. You know, like
hmm,
I was getting very frustrated today
hmm,
because
hmm,
again a lockdown of weekend in UP. It means again
yeah,
I'm like tied up to my room or to my
hmm,
this thing for 48 hours, which is
hmm,
really frustrating now. And
really, hmm,
although I am keeping myself busy, but what I have, okay, I'm taking classes, so I have this camera, or I have
hmm,
my laptop, or I have
hmm,
my phone
hmm.
to work on. So that is the
But
only medium. Yeah,
Alaknanda, there are people who don't have those mediums.
those mediums.
They do not have. There are people, like I had posted few days back a video of two boys from Kolkata.
Right,
They
right.
it was a dance video. They are
Yeah.
doing it in a terrace.
अरे
But
वो
you know,
मैंने भी तो पोस्ट किया
yeah,
था,
I
वही
shared your
वाला.
post.
And in
Right, right.
fact, yeah,
Thank
in
you.
fact, thank
Yeah.
you. They
Hmm.
were dancing so amazing, and they were not body conscious.
I
I,
did not
you know,
even see the
half
background.
naked. No, I
Yeah,
saw. I love the background, that rural background. I don't
yeah.
get to see that.
No,
And
what I'm saying that in that video, that was a prime example that if your dance is beautiful, you know,
yes,
सब
yes,
कुछ
yes, yes.
निकल
उसका
जाता
वो
है.
मतलब, and you know, and they are half. They're in only dhotis.
Dhotis,
There's
yeah,
hardly any makeup, just the
yeah,
eyes that they have
eyes,
done,
yeah, yeah,
and that those greenery जो पेड़ों के बीच में,
beautiful,
and rural house, मतलब
yeah,
थ्रैश, मतलब कोई बंगलो नहीं
flashy
है,
नहीं है, हाँ,
कोई फ्लैशी नहीं है, आपको वो पेंट उधरा हुआ दिखता है.
हम्म, हम्म,
तो वो, and the way they were dancing, the hunger for the art,
the art. But
अमेजिंग.
so
मतलब ये तो
how can
आपको
you?
शहरों में भी नहीं मिलेंगे. और जो सारे वो कहते हैं ना कि एनसीपीए टाइप के होने चाहिए, आई एम सॉरी भाई, आर्ट तो ऐसे देखा
देखा
जाता है.
एंड ऐसे आर्टिस्ट को तुम बोलोगे अरे तुम्हारा कैमरा ठीक नहीं है, तुम्हारा लाइट ठीक नहीं है, तुम्हारा, उसने तो प्रूव कर दिया कि मुझे कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं,
चाहिए ही नहीं.
मुझे कुछ चाहिए ही
एग्जैक्टली,
नहीं, you know.
एग्जैक्टली.
So in that sense I would say कि I am in no position to say कि don't shoot. अगर तुम्हारे पास DSLR नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास फिल्म कैमरा नहीं है, तुम तो कभी अच्छा काम कर नहीं सकते हो,
राइट,
you know.
राइट.
I would rather help if I have little bit of knowledge. I would rather be constructive in my suggestions and help them than be, you know, criticizing about the dirty curtain behind in their bedroom,
यस,
you know,
यस.
because I might be lucky to have a room to myself to experiment with. Another dancer who जिसको दो टाइम का रोटी नहीं मिल रहा है, वो अपना डर्टी कर्टन डज नॉट मैटर, उसको एक डांस करना है और उसको अपने उस टाइम के लिए अपने आप को खुशी पहुंचाना है.
एग्जैक्टली,
ठीक
एग्जैक्टली.
है.
अग्रीड,
So
अग्रीड.
who am I to take that dream away from that person?
Somebody,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
Kudos,
yeah,
Sangeeta,
yeah,
kudos on that.
yeah.
Because we live our own life and nobody has the bloody business to tell us what to do and
Absolutely.
not to
तुम्हें
do.
देखना नहीं है, मत देखो.
मत देखो,
There
scroll
are
up कर
many,
दो.
yeah, there are many stuff. I'm telling you,
हाँ,
मैं खुद नहीं देखती हूँ क्योंकि
हाँ,
मुझे
मैं
वो
खुद नहीं देखती हूँ, मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लगता.
2 सेकंड देखने के बाद मुझे लगता है ये क्या है, मुझे नहीं देखना है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि
Exactly.
आई एम दैट, यू
और
नो.
मुझे अच्छे अच्छों का जो कहते सो कॉल्ड दी,
एब्सोल्युटली,
हाँ,
या
सॉरी
या
टू से,
या
माफ कीजिएगा कि मैं कैमरा
या
पे कह रही हूँ, सो कॉल्ड जो अपने आप को दी आर्टिस्ट बुलाते हैं, मैं उनका मुझे बोरिंग लगता है. एंड दीज रूरल पीपल या जो कुछ बच्चे कर रहे होते हैं, मुझे वो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
अमेजिंग काम कर रहे हैं, अमेजिंग काम कर रहे हैं.
एंड विद
तो
नो एटीट्यूड, विद नो एटीट्यूड. वही मैं कहती हूँ
नहीं,
ना, मुझे 20 का
वैसे ना,
इंसान चाहिए और
मैं
19 का आर्टिस्ट चलेगा.
मैं वैसे ना उन लोगों का भी देखती हूँ कि सो दैट अगर कभी पोस्ट किया उन्होंने कुछ तो कुछ कमेंट करने के लिए मटेरियल मिल जाता है फिर वहां से. So,
naughty
yeah.
naughty
Yeah,
girl,
yeah,
naughty naughty
yeah,
girl, I can see.
yeah.
बदमाश बदमाशी कर रही है, बदमाशी कर रही है. अच्छा मुझे ये बता, इतने सीरियस तो हम लोग हो गए नहीं, थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
लाइट करके
हाँ.
कुछ
हाँ,
गा दे।
क्यों कर रहे हो मेरे साथ ये? मुझे गाना वाना नहीं आता है। मेरा मेरा पति म्यूजिशियन है। मैं, पता है प्रॉब्लम ये था कि
कुछ
बचपन से ना,
गुनगुना दे, कुछ गुनगुना दे, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि
ये मैंने तुम्हारे उस शो में भी गाया था, ये मेरा फेवरेट गाना है।
हाँ चल गा दे।
किसी का वर्ड्स
तो
बता दो।
होने जरा,
किसी
किसी
का
के
दिल
वास्ते हो
वास्ते हो
तेरे
तेरे दिल
दिल
में
में प्यार,
प्यार, जीना
जीना
इसी
इसी
का
का
नाम
नाम
है। I
है।
love this song.
यस।
This is like my anthem. मैं वीक में एक दो बारी ये गाना सुनती हूँ, because this song makes me kind of relate with my father, a lot, because my father was this person.
Your
He was
favorite.
he was the kind of he was a very giving person.
Right,
So,
right.
and this song uh, keeps me grounded,
I
and
think a daughter-father relationship is very
oh,
special.
that's one of the most beautiful
I think that
relationships. Yeah,
beautiful. Like even
yeah,
if I say even for my father, like I can do anything. Like today, like my son, because it was locked down and my parents live alone
yeah, yeah.
in the house. So I send my elder son
Son,
to them कि तुम वहाँ जाओ, तुम उन लोगों का ध्यान रखो, and definitely for my mom also, but especially for my father. So that I think touches the chord somewhere,
that that
you know.
is that is one bonding which वो words में नहीं explain कर सकते हैं.
Right.
That bond. And another song which I really love is चल के
कि
तुझे
तुझे मैं लेके
लेके
चलूं
चलूं एक
एक
ऐसे
ऐसे
गगन
गगन के
के तले
तले जहाँ
जहाँ
गम
गम भी ना हो, आंसू
आंसू
भी ना
भी
हो,
न हो,
बस
बस
प्यार
प्यार
ही
ही प्यार
प्यार पले.
एक
This is the only
ऐसे
Bengali thing
गगन
which I don't have.
तले.
I
Yes,
love this song.
I love this song
Uh, as
too.
I was saying, this is the only Bengali thing which I don't have. I
गाना
can't
गाना
sing. नहीं, मुझे गाना गाना नहीं आता.
रहने दे, बहुत
Uh,
अच्छा गाया तूने.
मतलब and because I have a very good music sense,
Yeah.
तो मैं गाना जब गाती हूँ मुझे पता चलता है कि मेरा ट्यून कटा,
हाँ.
or I could not hit the right note. Okay,
Okay.
so that is what puts me off. And
That's why maybe because of your sense of music and your sense of dance
yeah,
makes your photography so special. Because अभी जो तुमने मेरा वीडियो बनाया था on my
हाँ हाँ हाँ
poetry,
हाँ हाँ,
the kind of photography, and it was all a compilation of your photographies. So and the amazing shots that you've taken over there, it was mind blowing. It's mind blowing. It's one of my
thank you,
most special
thank you,
this thing. And
thank you.
uh, but I
Uh,
also feel that Sangeeta, that you are a very emotional person, and the whole lockdown and the whole
yeah,
situation of
yeah,
COVID-19 has hit you very badly,
very
because
bad,
I
very
was
bad.
always so concerned about you.
I know,
मैं
I know.
शायद हफ्ते में 2 बार तो 3 बार फोन करी कि
फोन
तू
या
ठीक है,
आ
तू
जाता है.
ठीक है, तू ठीक है. तो how do you feel now, like?
Alaknanda, actually, I have always been this person where किसी दूसरे का दुख मुझे बहुत खुशी जैसे इफेक्ट करता है. मैं
Huh.
लोगों की खुशी से बहुत खुशी ड्रॉ करती हूँ. ठीक है.
Right, right.
Similarly, I also draw pain from another's pain. I
Yeah,
can actually feel it. Okay.
right.
So this lockdown, I know there are many people who have been in very bad place.
Yeah.
That, और मुझे somehow पता है, I don't know, it's wrong. I know it's wrong. मुझे कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है, गिल्टी लगता है,
Okay.
that I am not being able to do enough, because कभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि बहुत होता ना तो
हाँ.
दोनों हाथ से लुटाती
पर
ऐसे.
संगीता, मैं एक
या
बात बताऊं
या
तुमको, just as a friend, enough is never enough.
I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. Enough is never enough.
It
जो
is how
आज मुझे,
somebody has to, you know where to control
yeah,
themselves.
yeah, 100%. And
Or
it's
never is
not
enough.
about just finances. It's about emotions also.
Emotions, yeah.
And there is one thing in me that मेरे में जो थोड़े बहुत negatives है ना, मैं पहले खुद समझ जाती हूँ कि मेरे में ये negative है. A lot of my positives also turn out to be negatives, in the sense कि as you were saying कि limit, मुझे ना limit नहीं पता चलता है चीज का. ठीक है, कि दुखी हो रही हूँ तो उसमें ना एक मेरा लिमिट तक जाती हूँ.
That is what I would like everybody, because I'm very concerned about Sangeeta, and मैं परेशान भी करती हूँ उसको फोन कर कि
नहीं, परेशान कभी नहीं होती हूँ मैं.
पर
मुझे
मैं
बहुत
सभी
अच्छा
से
लगता है when you call up.
पर मैं सभी से यही बोलूंगी कि अंधेरे के बाद ही सवेरा आता है. So please keep yourself uprooted और मस्ती करो.
Another thing, with me is मैं surprises पसंद नहीं करती हूँ in life. It's very difficult for my husband Ashish to buy gifts for me. वो बोलता है कि यार तुम ना मुझे बता दे कि क्या चाहिए. Okay, surprise, because lot of times, like when he first gave me the first DSLR, I was not happy. मैंने उसको बोला, उसने सोचा यार DSLR देख के कितनी बंदी खुश हो जाएगी. I was like, ज्वेलरी दे देते हैं, एनिवर्सरी में DSLR कौन देता है? So
a woman with jewelry and sarees.
Diamond.
मैंने ऑलरेडी इतनी बार डाल दिया. मेरी साड़ी चोरी होते होते बच गई. मेरी साड़ी चोरी होते होते बच गई.
So he also tells me कि दुकान में चलते हैं तो तुमको जो, because तुमको तो surprises पसंद नहीं. This COVID thing, why I have not been able to deal with it, कि टाइम नहीं पता चल रहा है ना, ये जाएगा कब ये. Okay. और I am a very people's person. I love to give my share of hugs. I love to give my share of,
Yes, I'm missing the jhappies and
and it's not that my family is a wonderful family. My girls, my husband, my pets, everybody is loving and caring. But now I want my friends also. I want to,
I want to go for a date with you. I want to go for Golgappa with.
I want to go and meet my.
गौरी के साथ गोलगप्पा खाना है और मुझे विधा के साथ वाइन पीना है और मुझे शिंजिनी के साथ डिस्क जाना है और
मैं भी जाऊंगी डिस्क.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलिए. विशाल कृष्णा और मैं बहुत गप्पे मार सकते हैं और पार्टी करनी है और तेरे साथ तो फुल ऑन डांसिंग है.
सब कुछ ही चलेगा.
I am really missing all my girlfriends, all of you. I need to have that feeling.
मेरा, as I was saying ना, मेरा कुछ negatives भी है. मैं अगर दिमाग में कुछ घुस जाता है, like मेरे दिमाग में अभी लॉकडाउन घुसा है कि तुम अपने किसी भी, you cannot, if you don't stay in the same family, it's not safe to. So I'm not even visiting my mom, who stays 6 houses apart, because I have to go for these 10-day doctor visit to my homeopath. So every time I come back, I say कि अरे यार फिर तो 14 days का फिर से झंझट हो गया, माँ से कैसे मिलूंगी. So I'm dying to meet my mother. I'm dying to meet my brothers. I'm dying to meet my choti si niece, their wives. Families like 6 houses apart, but I'm not being able to go and meet them. So
I am letting my loose. I'm letting my reins loose.
Yeah.
और विभा जी आपके साथ सारी शॉपिंग जाऊंगी और प्रॉन्स खाऊंगी. विभा जी कहती है मेरे साथ सारी शॉपिंग, साड़ी खरीदने चलेंगे और प्रॉन्स खाएंगे.
So I'm just waiting for this stupid thing to get over, so we can all get back our lives, and make something better, hopefully now, this time round, in the second chance we get.
Yes, and I hope we try to introspect ourselves and see how we can make a better world.
Yeah.
And I must say that Sangeeta, that was lovely with you, क्योंकि हम लोग तो सारी रात बात कर सकते हैं, and we can go on and on and on with our chit chat, and already almost we are like almost पौने 2 घंटे, and फिर से कहाँ चली गई? चली गई, कहाँ चली गई मेरी जान, मेरी जान मुझे जाना कहो
पे
मेरी
मार सकते हैं।
जान। हाँ, मैं फिर से, तू जब भी गायब होती है मैं गाना शुरू कर देती हूँ। मेरी जान, मेरी जान मुझे जाना कहो मेरी जान, मेरी
तू वेल
जान,
अलकनंदा,
मेरी जान।
आ गई मैं वापस।
हाँ, तभी तो गा रही थी तेरे लिए मैं, आजा मेरी जान। So it was lovely talking to
Lovely.
you,
Thank you
and
so much.
we really need you in our fraternity and in the fraternity of art and artists, because your pictures speak, your pictures emote, your
Thank you.
picture dance, and they express. So it is very important that we have you and more like you human beings in our fraternity. And जो हमारी दोस्ती एक यारी हुई है एक fraternity के साथ, like Ini, you, Ashwini ji, me, and I think my whole group of girlfriends, the dancers that we exist out. I think we are going to make a rocking life, and we are going to be the ones who are going to be the catalyst to change the society out here. And I'm sure that this we will make this a very much beautiful world, and take it forward. Thank you, darling.
Thank you. Thank you.
और ऐसी बात है कि शो स्टॉपर्स जिनके बिना हम अधूरे हैं, अगेन आई एम सेइंग दैट दे आर नॉट बिहाइंड अस, दे आर वॉकिंग पैरेलल विद अस, एंड दैट्स हाउ द शो हैपेंस, बिकॉज विदाउट देम the show wouldn't be possible at all. So it's very, very important that we understand their importance in the field of art and show. And Sangeeta, don't go. And we love them equally, and we respect them, and we pay them well. We stop
Yeah.
bargaining with them. And if you have the budget, please call, talk to them about the budget that you have, because always Sangeeta artist ke paas bhi budget nahi hota,
Nee,
so they can
that
talk it out.
see, I am telling you very honestly. I
Haan.
have worked for artists for very, very less. I have also worked for artists for free.
Yeah,
But that choice was mine because I
yeah,
believed
yeah,
in that
yeah.
artist. I knew
Yes,
that if I
yes,
help, artists do need help at times,
yes,
you know.
yes, yes.
So the right person comes to me for help, I'll be more than happy to help,
Happy to have.
you know. But
So
the choice should be mine.
the choice should be yours.
Yeah.
Definitely the choice should be theirs, and that's how it is, two people coming together and working together to keep the show going on. And as we say, the show must go on, and tomorrow we will be back here with another showstopper, Sandeep Datta Dada. मैं उनको दादा बुलाती हूँ, संदीप दत्ता जी, and who is a light designer and a very popular one, a favorite of so many dancers. And
A
we
beautiful
will be
human being.
beautiful human being. So we will be talking to him and know his side of the story and his journey. And please join us tomorrow again at 7 p.m. कहीं नहीं जाना, कहीं नहीं जाना, कहीं नहीं जाना. आप अपने डायरी में लॉक कर लीजिए और खाना वाना पहले से बना के रख लीजिए. Again, a request that the numbers are increasing too fast, and it is scary. Please stay at home. अगर बाहर जाने की जरूरत ना पड़े तो मत जाइए बाहर. और अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हैं तो आप मास्क पहनिए, आप हाथ को धोइए, सैनिटाइज कीजिए. और जैसे मैं करती हूँ, मैं बाहर से जैसे ऑफिस से भी होके आती हूँ, सो आई ऑलवेज कम एंड टेक अ फुल बाथ. Please, if possible, take a full bath and wash yourself, and be very careful from the infection. It is not so good. So take care of yourself, and namaskar, pray and sleep. Tata.